Welcome to this installation guide for QtSpim. First, let's introduce the QtSpim technology. It is from MIPS microprocessor. It is a simulator for MIPS assembly processor. And MIPS microprocessor have been acquired by Wave Computing, and it will offer the best RISC processor for AI solutions. And currently, MIPS has traditional core and new cores, and it also has information about the MIPS architecture. And it supports 32-bit embedded microprocessor, 64-bit server processor, and the embedded processor for different devices, including the portable devices. Now, let's look at what is QtSpim. Spim is a self-contained simulator that runs MIPS 32 program, so it has limitation. It reads and executes assembly language program written for this processor, so the target processor is 32-bit MIPS processor. Spim also provides a simple debugger and a minimal set of operation system services. Spim does not execute binary programs, so basically it's a simulator. Spim implements almost the entire MIPS 32 assembler extended instruction set. It omits most floating-point comparisons and the rounding modes and the memory system page tables. The MIPS architecture has several variants that differ in many ways. For example, the MIPS 64 architecture supports 64-bit integers and addresses, which means that Spim will not run programs for all MIPS processors. Spim implements both a terminal and window interfaces. On Microsoft Windows, Linux, and Mac OS, the Spim program offers a simple terminal interface, and the QtSpim program provides the windowing interface. The older version program, XSpim and PCSpim, also provide native window interface for these systems as well. Now, let's install the QtSpim. To install the QtSpim, first you need to come to this website, the spimsimulator.sourceforge.net. It has this 32-bit MIPS simulator page. And you can download the Spim, and you can also download this one, QtSpim. So I prefer this one, so I click this one, https://sourceforge.net/project/simulator/files. And for me, I'm using Windows, so I'll pick the one that is compatible with Windows. Currently, I have two versions. One is the 9.1.20, and the other one is 9.1.19. To me, it doesn't matter too much, so I'll install the newer one, that is the 21. So SourceForge page will start to download. And then you select a certain location to store it. So I create a directory called backup and store my application for installation. And then it takes a while for it to download. After it is done, open it. And you will see this installation page. Click Next and accept the agreement. And you will install to C program files x86 QtSpim. I will accept that. You may change if you have the need. And click Install. And the window asks for your permission. Say yes. And click Finish. After installation, you should see a QtSpim shortcut. Double click it. So here you should see some text file that is actually the assembly code. And that should be a successful installation. Thank you. Bye now.